New cars are in, and already I can see one that's going back to the auction.
Oh my God, stop. What the fuck?
More Americans are ditching their brand new cars as quality collapses, designs get worse, and prices hit record highs. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Owners are facing serious problems shortly after buying. A $48,000 Hyundai started peeling paint at 50,000 miles with no help from the dealer.
Spent $48,000 on a car, and at 50,000 miles, my paint started peeling everywhere. Been dealing with Hyundai for a year, called corporate and everything, and the dealership, and nobody's helping me out here. We've gone round and round and round, guys. What do I do? Help me out here.
Oh my God, stop. What the fuck? Yo, do it one more time? Do it one more. Ah, stop. Whoa.
2,500 miles. Look how much rust. What the? Like, that's terrible. I don't get it. And then they decided to put a 90 degree in the exhaust pipe. Why? Do better, Ford.
New cars are in, and already I can see one that's going back to the auction. It's so bad that my transporter had to show it to me. I'm going to show it to you, and it's going way the back to the auction. The problem is I already put it up online and got 5 leads on this thing. So now those leads, gone. Take a look at the underneath of this thing. I ain't selling it. Believe this shit? This car's got 47,000 miles on it. Looks like it's been dipped in water and just sitting there forever. I mean, this shit is crispy. And for all you folks that think Toyotas are the end-all be-all of reliability,
Modern design is creating new headaches. Kia released a model so strange-looking that people are calling it an abomination.
What the fuck is that? Whatever it is looks worse than the MG Ute. Is that fucking... Hey, is that abomination that Kia brought out? Hey, what the fuck is that, bro? Looks like a World War I Jeep got fucked in the ass by a Kia Sorento. Get that abomination out of here. Now there's a fucking another one.
Does anyone else have this in their Chevy truck? So I popped in and I used the grab handle and it kind of moved quite a bit. And then I started playing with it and this whole thing wiggles. And I was like, maybe the driver's side just has a little bit of wear. But no, the passenger side also wiggles as well.
There's 3 automotive trends that need to go away, and this Volvo EX30 has all of them. The first one's right here. There are 4 windows, like a traditional car, in this EX30, but there's only 2 window switches. So to toggle between the front and the rear, I have to first hit the rear switch, and then I can lower the rear window. The second, there's no gauges in front of me, so everything is handled by a single screen. Your parking settings, your speedometer, even your turn signals pop up on the center screen. And that just takes away your attention from the road to be looking at this screen. And number 3 is this fixed glass roof. This is beautiful, lets in a lot of light, but there's no shutters or shade in here. And to add insult to injury, Volvo will sell you a $200 covering that matches the interior that you can install in here and stow away when you don't need it. I know I said 3, but here's a bonus one. Lack of physical controls everywhere. In this one, there's no volume dial and there's even no buttons for your glove box. Open that up, I have to go here and hit this button, and there you go.
The average price is now around $50,000. Monthly payments are $730 to $750, and people are forced into 7- and 8-year loans just to afford them.
The average price of a new vehicle is now hovering around $49,500 to $50,000, while the average monthly payment has climbed into the $730 to $750 range. And with interest rates still high, buyers are paying thousands more over the life of their loan than they did just a few years ago. To survive, shoppers are stretching loans longer than ever. 7-year and even 8-year loans are becoming common, not because people want them, but because it's the only way for them to make the payments work. That's also driving a surge in negative equity, where old loan balances get rolled into new deals. Automakers, they do share some blame too. Many have moved away from affordable cars towards more high-margin trucks, SUVs, and premium trims, pushing average prices even higher. The result is that first-time buyers and middle-income families are being pushed out of the new car market altogether. Now, I do think that sooner or later, one of these automakers will go after that market segment because it is just sitting there for the taking. But until then, fewer affordable new cars today means a tighter, more expensive used car market tomorrow.
Car companies only care about horsepower numbers now. Many drivers say they prefer older models that actually feel like real cars.
Why is every single car company just focused on horsepower these days? Like every single new car, new model that comes out, they just try and bump the horsepower up. And now because of that, they're adding in the hybrid motors, and it's like destroying the vibes of like the cars these days. Like there's like barely any new car that I'd be like, I want, because all they care about is just like the horsepower number. Like, and this is what's crazy. I test drove a 488 and an SF90 yesterday back to back. And I would rather have the 488 if the car, like it's half the price. Even if the cars were the same price, I would choose the 488. Something, it just sounded better stock. They were stock for stock. It just felt like a car that I felt more connected to, and I just would rather have. The SF90 just felt too, I don't know. I just didn't like it. I don't know if it's the all-wheel drive or the hybrid. Like it felt, I didn't like the car at all. Like I did not like the car at all. And I feel like all these car companies are just like adding new models, more horsepower, and that's all they're caring about, more horsepower, and not worrying about anything else in the car.
The industry is also attacking your freedom. Companies are pushing laws to ban right to repair.
Right to repair and driver monitoring. So the head honchos actually meet with the president last week to discuss new laws that would ban people from fixing their own cars. Meaning no more changing your own oil or having Joe at the shop check your brakes. Then there's Ford's patent for monitoring driver biometrics. That means they can watch like your eye movement and facial expressions, and if they decide that you're impaired, they can keep your car from driving. I don't know about you, but I'm going to keep my car running as long as possible because I'm not about to put another dollar in these people's back pocket. Comment car and I'll send you the app that I use to keep all of my own maintenance, and you can avoid this crap too.
Ah, crap, I think my engine just blew up.
Yes, that is correct. Your engine just blew up. We saw the whole thing.
Great. Can you guys get me a tow truck and also get this thing covered under warranty?
No, can do. Warranty claim denied. Distracted driving.
What are you talking about? I wasn't on my phone or anything. I was literally just driving the car.
Under section 259.4-B, being knuckled deep in the schnoz is considered extreme distracted driving, meaning the whole warranty is completely voided now.
No, that is completely unfair. I have a huge bone to pick with you guys.
The only thing you'll be picking is your nose. Good luck walking home, loser.
If you've had a bad experience with a new car, tell me in the comments right now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more brutal truths. See you in the next one.